G'day everyone, and welcome back to Learn Australian English, the podcast where you learn real English through real Australian life.
That's right. I'm Liz.
And I'm Jack, and today's topic is one of the most Australian thing you can possibly talk about.
Honestly, if you asked people to describe Australia in one activity, this would be near the top.
We're talking about Australian barbecues.
Or, as Australians almost always say,
Barbies.
now if you're learning English, this is important. When Australians say barbie, they mean barbecue.
Not the toy, no dolls involved.
And you'll hear this word everywhere. We're having a barbie. Chuck it on the barbie. Bring something for the barbie.
Australians love shortening words. It makes English sound faster and more casual.
So don't be confused. Barbie equals barbecue.
Something people don't always realise is that there are different types of Barbies in Australia.
Yeah, not all Barbies are the same.
You've got the backyard Barbie.
That's the classic one. Someone's house, some chairs, maybe a dog running around.
Then there's the park Barbie.
Very Australian. Public park, free barbecue, kids playing nearby, usually at the playground.
And of course, the beach Barbie.
Which sounds relaxing, until the wind blows sand onto the sausages.
Still worth it though.
Let's look at how Australians actually invite people to a barbie.
You might hear something like, "We're having a Barbie on Saturday if you're keen."
Keen means interested.
Or, "Swing by around lunchtime."
That means come over.
Very casual language, very friendly.
All right, let's go deeper into food, because food is serious business.
The most important item, sausages, snags.
Usually beef sausages, sometimes chicken.
And vegetarians will usually hear, "Oh yeah, we've got something for you too."
Sometimes that's true. Sometimes it's just corn cobs.
You'll also see burgers, beef or chicken, with simple toppings.
Nothing fancy. Lettuce, tomato, maybe cheese, and some fried onions.
And sauces are very important.
Tomato sauce is king.
Barbecue sauce is second.
If you bring fancy sauce, people will politely judge you.
One interesting thing about Barbies is how people act.
Everyone stands around talking, but no one really sits down properly.
You'll often eat standing up,
Holding a plate in one hand,
drink in the other.
trying not to drop food.
It's a skill.
Let's talk about the barbecue chef.
Ah yes, the person with the tongs.
Once someone has the tongs, they are in charge.
They flip the sausages,
They decide when food is ready.
and they will usually say things like, "Yeah, just another minute."
That minute can last 10 minutes.
At an Aussie Barbie, the conversation topics are very predictable.
The weather,
Work,
sport,
housing prices.
and travel.
If you want to practice English, these topics will come up again and again.
Australians also use a lot of humour at barbies.
Especially teasing.
If someone burns the food, people will joke about it.
But it's friendly, not mean.
If Australians tease you, it usually means they like you.
Let's go through a few unspoken rules again.
Rule 1, bring something.
Even just drinks or snacks, or beer.
Rule 2, don't be too formal.
Relax, be yourself.
Rule 3, help clean up, or at least ask.
That goes a long way.
Barbies are actually one of the best places to practice English.
People speak naturally,
They use everyday expressions.
and they repeat themselves without realizing.
Plus, everyone is relaxed, no pressure.
Quick vocabulary review before we finish.
Barbie, barbecue.
Snag, sausage.
BYO, bring your own.
Chuck it on, put it on.
Fire up, start cooking.
All right, that's it for today's episode on Australian barbecues.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Australian English.
We release regular episodes to help you understand real Australian English.
And if you've been to an Aussie Barbie,
or want to go to one.
tell us in the comments.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.